Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on how does a student do the past papers before the exam. As a student, preparing for exams can be a daunting task, but with the right tools and strategies, it can become much easier. One of the most effective ways to prepare for an exam is by practicing with past papers. This not only helps you to familiarize yourself with the types of questions that may appear on the exam, but it also helps you to identify areas where you may need to focus your study efforts. Here are some tips on how to effectively use past papers to prepare for your exams. Get organized. Start by gathering all the past papers that you have access to. You can usually find past papers online or from your teachers. Once you have all the papers, organize them by subject and year. Understand the format. Before you start practicing with the past papers, make sure you understand the format of the exam. This includes the number of questions, the time limit, and the types of questions that may be asked. Time yourself. When you start practicing with the past papers, make sure you time yourself. This will help you to get used to working under time pressure, which is important for the actual exam. Analyze your performance. After you have completed a past paper, take the time to analyze your performance. Identify areas where you did well and areas where you struggled. This will help you to focus your study efforts and improve your performance in the future. Practice regularly. Finally, make sure you practice regularly with past papers. This will help you to build your confidence and improve your performance over time. In conclusion, practicing with past papers is an effective way to prepare for exams. By following these tips, you can make the most of your past papers and improve your chances of success on the actual exam. Good luck and happy studying. Thank you for reminding me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks on how to excel in your studies. We regularly upload new content to help students like you achieve their academic goals. Hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who could benefit from it as well. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.